What is fluid mechanics, understanding fluids, and the super easy concept of fluid mechanics. Before starting the lecture, click on the subscribe button and get access to our 100 of conceptual lectures for free. Firstly, understanding fluids. Well, any substance which can flow is known as a fluid. For example, gases and liquids. We all know that water, milk and honey flow, so they all are fluids. Now here is one of the important concepts which a lot of people do not try to learn. I mean, in the definition, I state substance which can flow. Or what do you mean by substance which can flow? Well, let's consider water in an object. We know that water molecules are continuously moving. Our water molecules are constantly changing their relative positions. Thus, we can say that all the molecules of water are in relative motion. And the definition, substance which can flow means that all the molecules of substance should be in relative motion, like the relative motion of water molecules. Thus, the more standard definition of fluids is any substance in which molecules are in relative motion or in relative flow is known as a fluids. Here, let me ask you a question. Can we call sugar and flour as fluids? Because if you tilt a glass of sugar or a glass of flour, they both flow in downward direction. Can you guess the answer? Well, the answer is no. The molecules or particles of sugar and flour do not change their respective position with the passage of time. Hence, they are not fluids. They are solids. They fall off from any object due to their respective weight. Now let me also clear your concept of mechanics. Mechanics is the branch of science in which we study about force and its effects. By effects, I mean magnitude of force, direction of force, etc. For example, consider a stationary football. When you kick it, you exert force on it. Force produces acceleration in it. Thus remember that in mechanics, we study about force and its effects. Now what is fluid mechanics? The branch of science in which we study about the behavior of fluids under the action of forces is known as the fluid mechanics. Fluid mechanics is further divided into three parts: fluid statics, fluid kinematics, and fluid dynamics. Now what is fluid statics? Well, the word statics means at rest, and we already know about the fluids. I mean, it is either gas or liquid. Thus, we can say that fluid statics is the study of fluids at rest. What is fluid kinematics? The study of fluids in motion neglecting pressure forces is known as the fluid kinematics. And we define fluid dynamics as the study of fluids in motion considering the pressure forces. Thus, remember that fluid mechanics is further divided into three sub-branches like fluid statics, fluid kinematics, and fluid dynamics. Remember that fluids have different properties like density, specific weight, specific volume, specific gravity, viscosity, surface tension, etc. I will discuss all these properties of fluids in my upcoming videos. Thus, this was all about introduction of fluid mechanics. If you have learned something new in this video, then like this video and subscribe our channel for more conceptual lectures. Thank you very much for watching this video.